Meet our two main characters, a dog and a cat. They live in separate homes, but little do they know, their lives are about to change forever. Our furry friends live in a quiet neighborhood, surrounded by greenery and friendly neighbors. The dog loves to play fetch, while the cat enjoys lounging in the sun. One day, the dog and the cat meet for the first time. They are cautious at first, but soon realize they have more in common than they thought. Despite their differences, the dog and the cat learn to get along and play together. They even start to enjoy each other's company. The dog and the cat become inseparable. They spend all their time together, playing, napping, and exploring the world around them. This heartwarming story promotes pet adoption and responsible pet care. There are many pets in shelters waiting for their forever homes. Adopt a pet and give them the love they deserve. In conclusion, the dog and the cat show us that love knows no boundaries. They may be different, but they have formed an unbreakable bond. Thank you for watching.